These professional divers rescued a massive whale covered in thick, painful barnacles. And what they did next is truly incredible. First, they gently washed the whale with clean water to prepare its skin. Using their gloved hands and specialized tools, the divers carefully removed the barnacles one by one, making sure not to hurt the whale. Throughout the rescue, the team continuously splashed water over the whale to keep its skin moist and comfortable. After all the barnacles were removed, they carefully washed the whale again and rinsed its body with cold, clean water, leaving it refreshed and relieved. If this rescue touched your heart, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing animal rescue stories.